With coronavirus spreading, South Africans
COVID-19 could overwhelm strained public
5,000 infections worldwide and more than 11,000 deaths. Italy crossed a grim milestone this week, surpassing China as the global epicenter of the pandemic. But there is some encouraging news about the caseload.
For me, it was really important that the guys who came into the room just came in to learn a bit about how to build long-lasting, highly scalable businesses.
And we are here at the Masterclass with Vusi Thembekwayo.
I came here just to learn about or exploring certain ventures of the business that I'm interested in.
I came here to network and to be inspired.
It was amazing. I learned so many things that I'm still trying to process everything in my brain.